Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your workspace and tools so you can focus on practice. First, calibrate your headset and controllers. Make sure tracking is stable and interpupillary distance is correct. Next, open a simple painting app with layers and an undo history so you can experiment quickly. Then, do a short 10-20 minute warm-up sketch to establish scale and depth. This trains your arm and eye together. Once done, lock in one small goal for the session to keep progress focused. Now you dive into technique and structured workflow to build consistent pieces. Focus on brush behavior, pressure, tilt, radius, and opacity to create varied strokes. Practice each for 5-10 minutes. Then use layers. Block in shapes, add midtones, and reserve a top layer for fine details. Masks keep edges clean. Also, think in spatial planes. Establish foreground, midground, background so your work reads in 3D. Make sure to save incremental versions. Finally, refine and finish the piece with intention so it translates outside VR. Tidy edges, tighten lighting, and adjust color harmony using reference snapshots taken in app. Subtle shifts cell depth. When satisfied, export both layered and flattened versions for editing or sharing. Layers preserve edits. If you encounter distortions or jitter, recalibrate tracking, reduce brush smoothing, and reevaluate your drawing scale. If proportions still feel off, step back. Retake a quick reference photo, and correct major shapes before detailing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.